Add 1 spoon of yeast to lukewarm water. Add 1 spoon of sugar. Mix and keep it aside until 15 minutes. In a cup of maida, add 1 teaspoon of salt. Pour in the yeast mixture to the maida. Add a spoon of oil and knead it into a smooth dough. Close the lid and keep it in a warm place until it rises double. Let's prepare the filling. Heat the oil in a pan and add some onion and sauté. Add boiled chicken, red chili powder, salt as per taste, Szechuan sauce, mayonnaise, oregano, let the stuffing cool down to room temperature. Preheat the oven for 15 minutes. The dough is now nicely doubled in size. Punch out the air. Do not over-knead the dough at this moment. Divide the dough into equal portions. Roll out the dough into oval shape. Fill with the chicken mixture. Cut as shown both the sides. Now start braiding the sheet. Let's braid another sheet. Make sure the stuffing is until the edges. Brush it with egg whites and sprinkle some black sesame seeds. Bake it for 20 to 22 minutes on 180 degrees in a convection mode. Braided chicken bread is ready.